Oh, sorry. How did you guys get in here? Let me get my microphone. All right, guys. Coming at you from my living room. Don't mind the fireplace in the back. It's just keeping me nice and toasty. All right, so let's do the first one. So, powder coat deal that we have going on literally all month. So it's the same deal, guys. If you like saving a lot of money, take advantage of it. Okay, on to the next one. It's right here this time. It's 25% off DIY bumpers. And it's mostly because we don't know how to change it on the website. So take advantage of us this week. Who likes DIY bumpers? Because boy, do I have a treat for you. If you look at this small clip that we brought for you of somebody welding, is it over here? Oh, it's like the whole screen. All right, guys, I'm back. So save 25% off for the rest of the week on all DIY bumpers. So get your welding gloves out and don't burn yourself. All right. Next on the to-do list, guys, dumb shirts of the month, and if you like stickers. All right, guys. Well, apparently that wasn't good enough, and I have to tell you a little bit more about the dumb shirt of the month deal. So you pay one time, and we'll send you a shirt every single month. And man, that's a great deal. And the stickers too, they do the same thing. So it's like a subscription. So get your subscription going. All right. Well, it's been real, guys, and we'll see you next time. How did you guys get in here? From my living room. Don't mind the fireplace in the back. It's just keeping me nice and toasty. Guys, it's Max Dealson. Thank you for joining me here in my home. And please don't mind my fireplace. It keeps